OnePlus Watch 2 is ready to make its debut on MWC 2024. While OnePlus has already shown and given some details of what a smartwatch will look like, FCC listing has revealed some of its features, but we have no details about its availability. According to a new rumor from Hit or Miss tipster, the OnePlus Watch 2 will have a replica in the form of OPPO Watch 4X or Watch X. The tipster says OPPO's version will be exactly the same except for one aspect. The OnePlus Watch 2 comes in a green color, whereas the OPPO Watch X will come in a yellow gold variant. OPPO's version of the OnePlus Watch 2, rumored to run Wear OS platform, is expected to launch globally next month. OPPO's launch could immediately follow the availability of the OnePlus Watch 2. OPPO Watch will be available in parts of Europe, while OnePlus will cover regions like North America and India. Both the OPPO Watch X and OnePlus Watch 2 are expected to be priced at the same level of the Galaxy Watch 6, so you can expect a price of around $300.